This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink a shape to an email address in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To hyperlink a shape to an email address in PowerPoint, it's very easy to do. I have a little example project here, and I have some shapes. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this shape right here to an email address to make this shape a clickable link. First thing you want to do is left click on the shape to select it. I'm going to left click on it to select it. Then the next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to where it says Insert, and click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where it says Link, and click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go all the way down to the bottom to where it says Email Address and click on Email Address. Now in the email address area, you want to type or paste in the email address that you want to hyperlink this shape to. I'm going to paste mine in, and as you can see, PowerPoint automatically adds that mail-to in front of my email address. It will automatically add that. The mail-to has to be in there. Then you want to go down to the bottom and you want to click on OK. Now when I place my mouse cursor over that shape, it tells you that it's hyperlinked to this email address right here, and to test it, you hold down the Control key and left click on it. I'm going to hold down the Control key and I'm going to left click on that shape. See, it opens up my email app with that email address that I had hyperlinked it to already placed. That is how to hyperlink a shape to an email address in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.